Yeah, I'm gonna corner you. Bitch. Alright, is it recording?
Yeah.
I want you. Watch his knife. Do you want to keep his knife out?
I would box away from the knife.
Yeah, get away from the knife.
That way you don't fall on it.
Hey, I'm moving your knife.
Alright, Fuker.
You're so fast. You're so fast. Oh shit. It's combo. Fuck, where are you? It's on the head. Take on the head. It's food like, where are you from? It's food raw. It's fucking pissing me off. That's fucked up. You want to hit you? It's pissing me off. Shit, I gotta hit you. Let's go. Oh, fuck! Take a break. Yeah, it's both intelligent. Oh shit. That fucking hurt. Oh man. Hey, brother, dude. Oh, I feel like I'm bleeding inside my... I'm good.
Did that hurt?
Down, dude.
Huh, bitch?
I'm good. I'm just not gonna box anymore.
Me neither.
Let's just save our energy for candy.
Matt, so you give out,
Fuck, dude, did you hit me with metal?
Huh? This is my